Chapter 8 Rational Numbers. First exercise. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. So we can write -1 as -1 by 1 and 0 as 0 by 1. Then multiply numerator and denominator by 10. We are multiplying up and down with the same number, there is no change in the value. So we are getting here minus 10 by 10 and 0 into 10, 0, 0 by 10. Now we can see in between that we will get 9, 10 numbers in between minus 10 by 10 and 0 by 10. So we can write 5 rational numbers we have to write. So minus 9 by 10 minus 8 by 10 minus 7 by 10 minus 6 or 5 by 10, any number, minus 3 by 10, now 5 are there, 3, 5 are the 5 rational numbers. Rational numbers between -1 and 0. Second one, -2 and -1. Same way we can take -2 and -1. This we can write as rational number form, -2 by 1 and -1 by 1. Then multiply by by 10 up and down, numerator and denominator. So it will come that is into 10 up and down here also, which means minus 20 by 10 and minus 10 by 10. Here also we can see in between few numbers, rational numbers. Out of that we can write minus 19 by 10, minus 18 or minus 17, any number in between minus 20 and minus 10. Minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 16 by 10, then minus 15 by 10 are the 5 rational numbers in between -2 and -1. If we want, we can simplify that. Here we are dividing by 2, it will come 9 by 5. Then this will come as 8 by minus 8 by 5. This will come as minus 3 by 2. So we can write therefore minus 19 by 10 minus 9 by 5 minus 17 by 10 minus 8 by 5 and minus 3 by 2 are the 5 rational numbers. Rational numbers between, according to the question, -2 and -1. Now the third part, -4 by 5 and -2 by 3. Here is in the rational number form, but denominators are different. So first we have to make the LCM. Here LCM is of 5 and 3 is 15. So convert the denominator to 15 by multiplying with -4 by 5. We have to multiply with 3 and -2 by 3 we have to multiply up and down with 5. Now the denominators are same. That means -12 by 15 and -10 by 15. -12 by 15 and -10 by 15 in between 5 rational numbers is not easy to find. So multiply again same with numerator and denominator by 10. So when we are multiplying up and down by 10, will become minus 120 by 150 and minus 100 by 150. Now in between we can find many rational numbers, but any 5. Here 5 rational numbers to write. So here we can write any 5 rational numbers between minus 120 by 150 and minus 100 by 150. Minus 119 by 150, 170, 130, 111 or 107, any 5 are the 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Now here fourth one, minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. LCM is, first you have to look the denominator. Denominators are with different numbers 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. So convert the given denominator to as common denominator 6. So multiply by 3. Minus 1 by 2, you have to multiply by 3, and 2 by 3 multiply with 2. So here it will come minus 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Here in between minus 3 by 6 and 4 by 6, we will get 5 rational numbers. So now need to multiply by 10. Straight we can write minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0 by 6 or 1 by 6, 2 by 6 and 3 by 6 are the 5 rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. P1 we can simplify that. Here this will come, that is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This also 1 by 3. Here 1 by 2. That means minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 2 are the rational numbers. Between given number minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Second question, write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. Here first we have to find the pattern. Minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15, minus 12 by 20. We can see this is the smallest or the lowest term. And when we are multiplying by 2, we will get the second term. Multiplying by 3, we will get the third term. When we are multiplying with the 4, the fourth term. Now we need 4 more. So multiply by 5. When we are multiplying the numerator and denominator with 5 into 5, but we are getting minus 15 by denominator also we have to multiply with 5. So 25 minus 15 by 25. If you are multiplying with 6 up and down, 6 into 3, 18. So minus 18 by 6 into 5, 30. Next, multiply with the next number 7. So 7 into 3, 21. Minus 21 by 7 5s, 35. And then 8, next number. 8 3s are 24. So minus 24 by 8 into 5, 40. So these are the next 4 more numbers, rational numbers in the according to this pattern. Take the lowest one and multiply with the next number. This one multiplying by 2 here, second term, 3, 4. Then multiply with 5, 6, 7, 8. The smallest fraction multiply with the numbers, we will get equivalent rational numbers. Here the simplified form, that is minus 1 by 4. Multiplying up and down by 2, minus 2 by 8. By 3 minus 3 by 12. Then by 4. Start with 4. So minus 4 by 16. Multiply with 5. Minus 5 by 20. Multiply with 6. Minus 6 by 24. Multiply with 7. Minus 7 by 28. Third one, minus 1 by 6 and 2 by minus 12. Here negative sign is on numerator and here this one in denominator. This one we can rewrite as 1 by minus 6. 1 by minus 6. This negative sign put there in the denominator. And then multiply by 2. 2 by minus 12, by 3. 3 by minus 18. 4. 4 by minus 24. Next with 5. So 5 by minus 30. Then 6 by minus 36. 7 by minus 42. 8 by minus 48. Here minus 2 by 3 and 2 by minus 3. When we are putting that minus sign there in the denominator, 2 by minus 3, and rest of the pattern is continuing with the denominator as negative. So we can take this as the simplified, the smallest term. When we are multiplying this fraction with 2, 4 by minus 6, then by 3, 6 by minus 9, then by 4, we can start with 4. 8 by minus 12, then by 5. 10 by minus 15, then 6. 12 by minus 18, then 7. 14 by minus 21 are the next 4 terms. So find the smallest term and then multiply by the remaining continuing that pattern by 4, 5, 6, 7. Question number 3. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to first one minus 2 by 7. To find the equivalent rational numbers, 4 rational numbers. So the given rational number we can multiply by, to get 4 rational numbers, multiply by to get the second number by 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will get, when we are multiplying the next number we will get, so 4 more. So the first fraction minus 2 by 7. When we are multiplying up and down by 2, we will get that as minus 4 by 14. Then multiply by 3. Minus 6 by 21. Multiply by 4. Then by 5. These are the 4 rational numbers. Here 5 by minus 3. When we are multiplying by 2, it will become next number 10 by minus 6. Then by 3, 15 by minus 9 by 4. 20 by minus 12 by 5. 25 by minus 50. Here multiply 4 by 9 by 2, we will get the next number. 8 by 18 by 3. 12 by 27 by 4. 16 by 36 by 5. 20 by 45. Multiply up and down with the same number. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question number 4. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. First one 3 by 4. For that we have to draw a number line, mark the numbers. Left side of 0, that is negative numbers, right side with the positive numbers. In 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. Proper fraction lies always between 0 and 1, that is positive fraction. So between 0 and 1. So 3 by 4, that means we are dividing the space in between 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. This is the midpoint. Now we can see 4 equal parts. 0 we can write as 0 by 4 if we want. 0 by 4. Then 1 by 4. The next is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4. 1 is same as 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Now the number 3 by 4, which means 3 by 4. This is the point in between 0 and 1. That is 3 by 4. Next is minus 5 by 8. That also proper fraction but with a negative sign. So that is coming on the left side of 0. And denominator is 8. So we are dividing proper fraction. So that always lies in between. It's a negative number. So in between minus 1 and 0. Denominator is 8 means 8 equal divisions. So 8 equal divisions are there, and from that 5 by 8. This is 0 by 8, 1 by 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is same as minus 1. Minus 1 we can write as minus 8 by 8. 0 we can write as 0 by 8. Now we need minus 5 by 8. So from here to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number minus 5 by 8. Third number is minus 7 by 4. 7 by 4 we can write as 1 and 3 by 4. This is an improper fraction. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. So that will come 1 and 3 by 4. That means that number lies between 1 and 2. Denominator is 4. So dividing each section into 4 equal parts. Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 4 is same as minus 1. This we can take as 0 by 4. Minus 1 is same as minus 4 by. Minus 2 is same as minus 8 by 4. Minus 8 by 4. Now we need 7 by 4. Again denominator is 4. So we are dividing the section in between 1 and 2 into 4 equal parts. Here minus 4 by 4. And next number is 5 by 4, 6 by 4, next is 7 by 4. This is the number representing minus 7 by 4. Next number minus 2, that means minus 8 by 4. Minus 1 is same as minus 4 by 4. So minus 7 by 4 is here near to minus 2. Next number is 7 by 8. It's a proper fraction and it's positive. So that lies between 0 and 1. Then look at the denominator, that is 8, which means we are dividing that portion from 0 to 1 into 8 equal parts. So 0 we can write as 0 by 8 is the denominator, so 0 by 8. 1 we can write as 8 by 8. Now 7 by 8 means just before that. This is 7 by 8. Seven by 8. This is the same as 8 by 8. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 8. Dividing between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts. And 7th part. Now question number 5. P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B are on the number line such that T, R is equal to RS is equal to SU and AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Name the rational numbers represented by PQRS. So here P, we can write P is equal to, after 2, from 0 we have to look at that where the position of P. After the number 1 and 2. So 2 and then in between 2 and 3, that is divided into 3 equal parts. After that the first part is coming P. This is 1/3. So 2 and 1/3. That is the position of P. This we can write as convert into improper. So it will come 7 by 3. So P is same as 7 by 3. Then next Q. Q same way, after 2, after the number 2, 2 by 3. 3 equal divisions and in that second part 2 by 3. Which is equal to 8 by 3. So Q we can write 8 by 3. This we can write 7 by 3. Same way R here. That lies between -1 and -2. So R is equal to after -1. Then here -1 and then 1 by 3 equal divisions and the first one. So -1 by 3. Which means -3 plus -1, that means -4 by 3. So R we can write as -4 by 3. Then S. S also is equal to -1 and then -2 by 3. Which is equal to -5 by 3. -5 by 3. So these are the rational numbers representing the letters P, Q, R and S. Now question number 6. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? For that we had to simplify these rational numbers and check both the rational numbers are same or not. We can divide here 7 and 21 by 7. When we are cutting here -1 and here 3. -1 by 3 will get. When we are simplifying 3 by 9, by dividing by 3, we will get 1 by 3. So what we are getting? -1 by 3 and 1 by 3. These two are not equal. So they are not same. Here when we are simplifying, divide by 4. It will come as -4 and 5. This one dividing by 4. Sorry, dividing by 5. Here 4 times and here -5 times. This we can write as -4 by 5 is equal to, this minus sign we can put there in the numerator, same as that, -4 by 5. So these two are equal. Same rational numbers. This one is same rational number. Then next, here this -2 and -3, minus sign we can cancel from the numerator and denominator, and we are getting from that 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3, which means that also same rational number. This pair also representing the same rational number. Next one here, this one we can simplify, divide by 4. Here 3 times -3, here 5. That means same, we are getting -3 by 5 and -3 by 5. We can write -3 by 5 is equal to -3 by 5. Therefore this also we are getting same rational number. Here 8 by -5, and when we are dividing this with the 3, here we will get -8 by 5. So So this also we can write as, put the negative sign in the numerator. So minus 8 by 5 is equal to minus 8 by 5. Both are same value, which means these pair also representing the same rational number. Here we know that 1 by 3 and this we cannot simplify, which means this is not representing the same rational number. Both are not. First one also not. Then the last one here. Minus 5 and by this negative sign we can cancel from up and down. Then remaining 5 by 9 in the first fraction. And the second one minus 5 by 9. We can put the minus sign there in the numerator or denominator anywhere same, but that remain as the negative number. Minus 5 by 9, which is not equal. So these two pairs are not the same rational number. So 2, 3, 4, 5 are representing the same rational number. So in the question, rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. So we have to simplify. Divide by the common factor up and down. We can divide by 2. Up and down. So we are getting that as minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Here we can divide numerator and denominator by 5. So we will get that as 5 by 9. This we can divide by 4. It will come as minus 11 by 18. It's 11 by 18. So we can divide by 2 up and down with the same number. If we are dividing, we will get the simplified form. So minus 4 by 5. Eighth question, fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of greater than, less than and equal to. First one, minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. Here the denominators are different, 7 and 3. So we have to find the LCM. LCM of 7 and 3, that is 7 into 3, 21. So we have to convert each of these denominator to 21. Minus 5 by 7, when we are multiplying by 3, that will come as minus 15 by 21, and 2 by 3, that will come as, when we are multiplying with the 7 up and down, 14 by 21. That means minus 15 by 21 and 14 by 21. Here we can see which one is greater. This is a negative number, this is the positive. So positive number is always greater. So we can put the greater sign there, and here in the step, there in the answer also. That we can rewrite as, that is minus 5 by 7 less than 2 by 3. In the box, let's less than sign. Second one, minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7. Here the denominators are different, 5 and 7. So you have to find the LCM. LCM of 5 and 7, that is 5 into 7, 35. So the first number we can write as minus 4 by 5. Make the denominator as 35. So multiply with 7. Up and down with the same number, that will come minus 28 by 35. And the second number, minus 5 by 7, to make 35 we have to multiply with 5. So there in the numerator also with 5. That will come as minus 25 by 35. That means here first number we rewrite as minus 28 by 35, and the second number as minus 25 by 35. When we are comparing, denominators are same, so just compare the numerator. We know that minus negative numbers with a less number, that is the greater value. So minus 25 is bigger. And that we can put here again there. Therefore, minus 4 by 5 less than minus 5 by 7. The question we can write the same as that. Third one, minus 7 by 8 and 14 by minus 16. This we can rewrite as first one, minus 7 by 8. Here denominator is 16, so multiply by 2. This will come as minus 14 by 16. And this number we can write as 14 by minus 16 is same as, put the negative sign in the numerator, minus 14 by 16. So we can see here first number minus 14 by 16 and second number also minus 14 by 16. So we can put equal to sign. Both are same. That is minus 7 by 8 is equal to 14 by minus 16. Next is fourth one, minus 8 by 5 and minus 7 by 4. Here 5 and 4, so LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. First number we can write as, by multiplying with 4, it will become denominator 20 minus 32 as the numerator. And second number minus 7 by 4. To make that as 20, we have to multiply with 5. Is equal to minus 35 by 20. Here we are getting minus 32 by 20 and minus 35 by 20. Denominators are same. We know that minus 32 with a smaller number with a negative sign, that you have the greater value. Minus 32 is greater than minus 35. So this one is greater, which means minus 8 by 5 is greater than minus 7 by 4. Now the fifth one, minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 4. Here denominators are different, so LCM of 3 and 4, that is 12. So minus 1 by minus 3 we can write as minus 1 by 3, and to make that as 12, multiply by 4. It's equal to minus 4 by 12. And the other number minus 1 by 4, to make the denominator 12, multiply with 3. It's equal to minus 3 by 12. Now we got minus 4 by 12 and minus 3 by 12. Here we know that minus 3 is greater than minus 4, or minus 4 less than minus 3. So minus 4 is less than minus 3. That means 1 by minus 3 is less than minus 1 by 4. Sixth one, 5 by minus 11 and minus 5 by 11. This we know that we can write as, put the negative sign in the numerator. So minus 5 by 11. And the other side already minus 5 by 11. Which means both are equal. So we can put here that is equal. Here the seventh one, 0 and minus 7 by 6. We know that 0 is greater than all the negative numbers. 0 is greater than all negative numbers. So we can write 0 greater than minus 7 by 6. Question number 9. Which is greater in each of the following? 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. Here denominators are different. So LCM of 3 and 2. That is 6. So 2 by 3 we can write as, by multiplying with 2, it will come 4 by 6, and 5 by 2 multiply with 3, then it will come 15 by 6. Now when we are comparing 4 by 6 and 15 by 6. We know that 15 is greater than 4. So 4 by 6 is less than 15 by 6. That means this number is greater. Here the question, which is greater? So we can write 15 by 6 when we are comparing is greater, which means 5 by 2 is greater. That is 5 by 2 is greater. Second one, minus 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. 6 and 3, LCM, 6 is a multiple of 3. So LCM is 6. So first number we can write as minus 5 by 6 itself. Second number minus 4 by 3 multiplied by 2. So it will come minus 8 by 6. When we are comparing this minus 5 by 6 and minus 8 by 6, we know that minus 5 by 6 is bigger. So that is minus 5 by 6 is greater. Now third one, minus 3 by 4 and 2 by minus 3. LCM of 4 and 3, that is 12. So first number we can write as minus 3 by 4 into 3. Minus 9 by 12. And second number 2 by minus 3, we can write as, put the negative sign on top. It will come minus 2 by 3 and multiply with 4. It's equal to minus 8 by 12. Now when we are comparing minus 9 by 12 and minus 8 by 12, we know that minus 9 is less than minus 8. So minus 9 by 12 is less than minus 8, which means here which is greater. This one is greater, minus 8 by 12. That means 2 by minus 3. 2 by minus 3 is greater. Fourth one, minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. We know that minus 1 by 4 less than 1 by 4. That means positive number is always greater. So we can write 1 by 4 is greater. Always positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Now fifth question, minus 3 by 2 by 7 and minus 3 and 2 by 7 and minus 3 and 4 by 5. First we have to convert the mixed fraction to improper. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 23. Minus 23 by 7 and here 3 into 5, 15, 15 plus 4, 19. Minus 19 by 5. Now 23 by 7, minus 23 by 7 and minus 19 by 5. Denominators are different, so LCM. LCM of 7 and 5 is equal to 35. Now the first number we had to multiply with 5. Second number multiply with 7. So here we are getting minus 23 into 5. That means minus 150 by 35. And here we are getting minus 19 into 7, that is minus 133 by 35. Now we know that minus 115 is greater than minus 133. So this is greater. That means the first number. Minus 3 and 2 by 7 is greater. Tenth question, write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. Here the smallest one is minus 3 by 5. And next is minus 2 by 5. And next the biggest one out of these three, that is minus 1 by 5. So ascending order means small to big. Second one, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 9, minus 4 by 3. Here denominators are different. So To compare that, first we have to make the same denominator, LCM of 3 and 9, that is 9. So convert the given fractions as minus 1 by 3. We have to multiply by 3 up and down is equal to minus 3 by 9. Second number is minus 2 by 9 itself. Third number minus 4 by 3 multiply with 3, it will come that as minus 12 by 9. So when we are comparing minus 3 by 9, minus 2 by 9, minus 12 by 9. Ascending means small to big. Ascending order. First is smallest one. That means minus 12 by 9. Then minus 3 by 9. And after that minus 2 by 9. So which implies that is first number minus 12 by 9 representing in the question minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 less than. Then next is coming minus 3 by 9. That means the first number. Minus 1 by 3 and the middle number minus 2 by 9. This is the ascending order. Third one minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 4. Here LCM that is 28. So the first number we can write as minus 3 by 7 as 7 into 4. So that will come as minus 12 by 28. Second number minus 3 by 2. That we can multiply with 14. So minus 3 into 14, that will come minus 42 by 28. Third number minus 3 by 4. That when we are multiplying with 7, it will come as minus 21 by 28. So we are getting the numbers minus 12 by 28, minus 42 by 28, minus 21 by 28. The smallest one is minus the bigger number in numerator. So minus 42 by 28. Minus 42 by 28. Then is coming minus 21 by 28 and then minus 12 by 28. So we can write ascending order is equal to first minus 42 by 28. That means the middle number minus 42 by 28 is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 less than. Then minus 21. That means the last number minus 3 by 4. And the last one is minus 12 by 28. Minus 12 by 28. That is the first number, minus 3 by 7. It's the ascending order. Exercise 8.2, first question. Find the sum of 5 by 4 plus minus 11 by 4. Here the denominators are same. So if the denominators are same, then we can add the numerator. 4 is the denominator and 5 plus minus 11. That is equal to minus 6 by 4. When we are simplifying that, divide by 2. It will come minus 3 by 2. Second one, 5 by 3 and 3 by 5. Here denominators are different. So LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. So this we can write as 5 by 3 that into 5 to make the denominator 15 is equal to 25 by 15, and 3 by 5 we can write as multiply by 3 is equal to 9 by 15. Now when we are writing, that is 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5 is the question, which is equal to, first term we can write as 25 by 15, that plus second term is 9 by 15. Now the denominators are same 15, so we can add the numerator 25 plus 9, numerators 25 and 9, so which is equal to 34 divided by 15. So the answer is 34 divided by 15. Third one, minus 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15. 10 and 15, LCM is 30. So first number minus 9 by 10, to make the denominator as 30, multiply by 3. That will come as minus 27 by 30. And second number 22 by 15, to make the denominator 30, multiply by 2, it will come 44 by 30. So when we are adding, that means minus 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15, which is same as, here we got minus 27 by 30 plus 44 by 30. Now same denominator 30, numerator minus 27 plus 44, which is equal to 17. 17 by 30. Fourth one, minus 3 by 11 and 5 by 9. So LCM is here, 11 into 9, 99. Here we can write this minus 3 by 11, minus 11, minus sign we can cancel, so 3 by 11, and to make that as 99, the denominator multiply with 9. So that will come 27 by 99, and 5 by 9 we have to multiply with 11. It's equal to 55 by 99. When we are adding that, according to the question, minus 3 by minus 11 plus 5 by 9, which is equal to, first number 27 by 99 plus 55 by 99, which is equal to, now 99 is the common denominator, and 27 plus 55, which is equal to 27 plus 55, we will get that as 82 by 99. Here minus 8 by 19 plus minus 2 by 57. We know that 19 3 times 57. 57 is a multiple of 19. So LCM is 57. Multiply the first number with 3, that it will come as minus 24 by 57. That plus second number. So minus 24 plus minus 2, minus 26 by 57. Next number, question, minus 2 by 3 plus 0. Any number plus 0 is same the number itself. So it's equal to minus 2 by 3. Next is minus 2 and 1 by 3 plus 4 and 3 by 5. First we have to convert the mixed fraction to improper. It will come 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, minus 7 by 3 plus 4 into 5, 20, 20 plus 3, 23 by 5. Now the LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. So the first number minus 7 by 3, that we have to multiply with 5, plus second number 23 by 5, that we have to multiply with 3, which is equal to minus 35 by 15 plus 69 by 15, which means minus 35 plus 69 by 15, which is equal to minus 35 plus 69, so 34. 34 by 50. Your second question, find 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. 24 and 36, first we have to find the LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 6, that is 72. So we can convert 7 by 24 to 72. That means we have to multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. That minus 17 by 36. That we have to 36 to 72. Multiply by 2. So here we are getting 21 by 72 minus 34 by 72. So which one we know? We got same denominator 72. So we can write 21 minus 34 by 72. And that is equal to 21 minus 34 minus 13 by 72. Second question, 5 by 63 minus 6 by 21. This we can rewrite as 5 by 63 plus minus of minus plus 6 by 21. Here 63 and 21. So LCM of 63 and 21, that is 63. So we can write as 5 by 63 plus 6 by 21. 21 into 3, 63. So which is equal to, we can write 5 by 63 plus 18 by 63. Now we got 63 as the common denominator. 5 plus 18. So 5 plus 18, that means 23, which is equal to 23 by 63. Now third one, minus 6 by 13 minus 7 by 15. So minus of minus, we can put that as plus, and 13 and 15 no common factor. So LCM is 13 into 15, 195. First number minus 6 by 13 multiply by 15, we will get 90 by minus 90 by 195. And second number 7 by 15 multiply by 13, we will get 91 by 195. So the question that is equal to here, minus 90 by 195 plus minus of minus plus 91 by 195, which is equal to minus 90 and plus 91. So we can write as minus 90 plus 91 by 195. So here we are getting 1, that is equal to 1 by 195. Now the fourth one, minus 3 by 8 minus 7 by 11. 8 and 11, LCM is 88. And minus 3 by 8, we have to multiply with 11. That minus second number 7 by 11, that we have to multiply with 8. So we can write that as minus 33 by 88 minus 56 divided by 88, which is equal to minus 33 minus 56, or we can write that as plus of minus 56. Minus 56 divided by 88. And that is equal to minus 89 by 88. Minus 89 by 88. So we can write as mixed fraction also, 1 and minus 1 and 1 by 88. Now fifth question. minus 2 and 1 by 9 minus 6. 2 and 1 by 9 we can write as 19 by 9 and minus. Here LCM is 9. 6 we can write as 6 by 1. And LCM we are taking as 9. So which is equal to minus 19 by 9 minus this we have to multiply with 9 up and down. So we will get that as minus 54 by 9, which is equal to minus 19 minus 54 by 9, and that is equal to minus 73 by 9. So that is the answer. So I can write which is equal to minus 73 by 9. Third question, find the product. 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. Here numerator and denominator there is no common factor. So we can multiply directly the numerators. 9 into minus 7 it will come. We can write as 9 into minus 7 in the numerator and 2 into 4 in the denominator, which is equal to minus 63 by 8. Now second one, 3 by 10 into minus 9, which is equal to 3 into minus 9 in the numerator by 10, which is equal to minus 27 by 10. Now third one, minus 6 by 5 into 9 by 11. So the numerator minus 6 into 9 by 5 into 11, which is equal to minus 54 by 55. Fourth question, 3 by 7 into minus 2 by 5. 3 into minus 2 in the numerator, 7 into 5 in the denominator. So minus 6 by 35. Now fifth one, 3 by 11 into 2 by 5. So it will come as 3 into 2 in the numerator and 11 into 5 in the denominator, which is equal to 6 by 55. Sixth one, 3 by minus 5 into minus 5 by 3. So we can write as 3 into minus 5 by minus 5 into 3. We can say this 3 in the numerator and denominator we can divide by that, and minus sign also we can cancel, minus 5 and minus 5, which is equal to 1. Question number 4, find the value of minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. This we can write as which is equal to minus 4. Division sign we have to convert to multiplication, change to multiplication by taking the reciprocal of 2 by 3, second term. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 means 3 by 2. Now which is equal to minus 4 into 3 by 2. We can divide by 2 here 2 times. That means which is equal to minus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 6. Second one, minus 3 by 5 divided by 2. This we can write as minus the first number same, minus 3 by 5. Then change the division side to multiplication. Reciprocal of 2. 2 we can consider as 2 by 1. So reciprocal it will come 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 in, minus 3 into 1. Numerator minus 3, 5 into 2, 10. Next one, minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3. That we can write as first number same, minus 4 by 5. Division sign change to multiplication. Minus 3 we can consider as minus 3 by 1. Then reciprocal is 1 by, minus sign is there, minus 1 by 3. So we can take minus 4 into minus 1, that is 4. plus 4. Minus into minus positive. 5 into 3, 15. Now fourth one. Minus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. First number is same as minus 1 by 8. Division sign to change to multiplication. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 will come 4 by 3. Now we can divide by 4. Here 2 times. So here 1 time. Minus 1 into 1. 1. Minus 1 divided by 2 into 3. 6. So minus 1 by 6 is the. Now fifth one. Minus 2 by 13 divided by 1 by 7. This one we can write as minus 2 by 13. The first term same as that. Change the division sign to multiplication. Reciprocal of 1 by 7 is 7 by 1. Which is equal to minus 2 into 7. Minus 14 by 13. And sixth one. Minus 7 by 12 divided by minus 2 by 30. So first we can write minus 7 by 12 same as that. Then division change to multiplication. Take the reciprocal. Minus sign we can keep it there. Take the reciprocal of 2 by 13. That is 13 by 2. There is no common factor. So we can multiply the numerators and denominators separately. Minus 7 into minus 13. Minus into minus positive. So it will come 91 by 12 into 2, 24. Here seventh one. 3 by 13 divided by minus 4 by 65. This we can write as 3 by 13 into minus sign is there. Take the reciprocal. So 65 by 4. So here we can see 13 and 65 we can divide. Here we will get that as 5 times. So 3 into here minus 5 divided by 4. That is equal to minus 15 by 4.